Hello everyone, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this video now we're going to learn how to do or how to solve for multiplication with fractions. This is the easiest way to do it because in order for us to solve for this multiplication with fractions, all we have to do is just multiply straight through. That's it, very simple. So what I have to do right here, my friends, I'm going to multiply 2 times 1. How much is 2 times 1? Is equals to 2. And then 3 times 4. How much is 3 times 4? Is equals to 12. Very nice. And this is my first correct answer. Now, however, can I reduce this number? Remember, our GED exam is going to ask us to write the lowest or to choose the lowest common denominator or the lowest form of fraction. So can I reduce this? Yes, I can. I can half it by 2. I can divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. And 2 divided by 6, or 6 divided by 2, is equals to 6. Can I reduce this anymore? No. Can I turn this into a mixed fraction or a mixed number? No, I cannot. So this, my friends, is my final answer, and this is it. To solve for multiplication with fractions, all we have to do is just multiply straight through. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.